Hi, I'm Samuel Johnson and I'm a real estate closing attorney with McClure & Associates. When you buy a home, you're not just purchasing walls and a roof. You're buying legal ownership of a property. But how do you know the seller actually has the right to sell it and that no one else has a claim? That's where a title search comes in. The title is the legal record of who owns the property. A title search is the process of reviewing public records to confirm that ownership and to uncover any issues that could affect it. Let's break down the anatomy of a title search so that you can understand what's happening behind the scenes. The title search is done as part of the work preliminary to the real estate closing. First, we examine the chain of title, a historical timeline of ownership. This shows every recorded transfer of the property, sometimes going back decades. Why is this important? Because any error or missing link in that chain could raise questions about who truly owns the property. And any unanswered question about title is a chance that you could become tied up in lengthy and costly litigation at best, or lose your entire investment and home at worst. Next, we look for liens and encumbrances. A lien is a legal claim against the property for unpaid debts, things like mortgages, property taxes, or contractor bills. An encumbrance is anything that limits how the property can be used, such as easements or restrictions. If these aren't identified and resolved before closing, they could become the buyer's problem. How do we look through all these things? Well, we review public records, things like deeds, court judgments, divorce settlements, and probate cases. This also helps uncover hidden risks, such as ownership disputes, clerical errors, fraud or forged documents. Even small mistakes in records can create big legal headaches later. Once all this research is complete, the findings are compiled into a title report. This report outlines the current owner, any liens or claims, and any conditions that must be cleared before closing. It's essentially a snapshot of the property's legal status. The title report then provides a solid basis for everything else in the closing process going forward, from the approval of the loan to the preparation of title insurance. So why is a title search so important in the closing process? Mostly because of the protection it provides to all parties involved in the transaction. It protects buyers by preventing them from unknowingly purchasing a title burdened by debt, disputes, or restrictions tied to the property. It protects lenders by providing assurance that the property either is or can be made valid collateral for the loan. And it ensures a smooth closing by either removing any unknowns or by spotting issues early so that they can be resolved before ownership changes hands. Even the most thorough search can't catch everything. That's why title insurance exists. After the search is complete, title insurance helps protect against unknown or future claims, giving both buyers and lenders peace of mind. In simple terms, a title search answers one essential question: can this property be legally and safely transferred to a new owner? It's one of the most important steps in a real estate transaction, and definitely one you do not want to skip. Here at McClure & Associates, all of our title searches are performed in-house by our team of dedicated attorneys. We take pride in personally ensuring that your title search is done right and that your closing can proceed as quickly and smoothly as possible. For more information on how McClure & Associates can help you with your real estate transaction, call us at 334-546-2009, follow us on Facebook, or visit our website at mcclurelaw.com today. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we post informational videos like this one on many aspects of our legal practice. I'm Samuel Johnson with McClure & Associates. Together, let's build your legacy.